the Fibonacci sequence. And the Fibonacci sequence, of course, is a sequence of numbers. Of course, it is a set of numbers with a particular characteristic, and we'll take a look at that characteristic. We are studying the Fibonacci sequence, of course, for the entire problem 7, the one that gave so much trouble to the students, the candidates of the May 2019 CXE CSEC Mathematics Paper 2, number 7, Part B. That is the one that had quite a bit to do with the Fibonacci sequence. And of course, it is said to be the sequence of nature. Now, what do we have? Its first two terms are equal to 1. Then, for the third term onward, which is, of course, for n is greater than or equal to 3, the third term onward, every term is the sum of the two terms preceding it. And we will see that in no uncertain term, in the most explicit way that you can imagine. So we have the first two terms are equal to 1, and then after that, every term is the sum of the two terms preceding it. There we go. So the third term is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and so on. We will take a second look at it in a few seconds. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, then 8 plus 13, 21, then 13 plus 21, 34. By taking a look at this animation, there is no way that you can miss out on the construct of the Fibonacci sequence. So there we have the most beautiful and explicit animation demonstrating your Fibonacci sequence, which is the sequence of numbers of which the first two terms are equal to 1, and every subsequent term is the sum of the two terms preceding it. And of course, if you look in this diagram, you can see a beautiful pattern developing right here. 1 1, and you see the 2 3 5 8 13 21, or you may say 1 plus 1, that's 2, then 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 8 13. So we have the sequence coming all the way right here on the edge. If you look inside of the expression, take the middle row. So if you take the middle row, you will see the same thing happening. 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 going all the way down. And if you take the other end, 1 plus 1, you'll have 2. Then you have the other 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So you'll have the Fibonacci sequence going right here all the way down until it is exhausted right here. So we have a beautiful pattern with the sequence being shown. The sequence shown to be present on this edge, in the middle, and also at the other edge. And that is the end of your beautiful Fibonacci sequence. For access to hundreds of free videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources. For unlimited access to thousands of exclusive full-length videos, please subscribe to our Vimeo channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources.